This exaggerated petal sleeve is what we'll be learning how to make today. Hello lovelies, welcome back to Alake Oge YouTube channel. If your first time of being here, thank you for your welcome, and you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So the pics that we saw at the beginning of the video is what we'll be making today, and this is what I'll be using to make this. So I've already ironed paper stay on this, but I would recommend you use peplum stay, or it is also called collar stay too, or you would earth stay. So this is the material, the fabric I'll be using. So now the bigger one, I have two pieces here. So the bigger one is 18 by 29 inches, almost 30 inches. So let's just say 29. So I have 29 by 18 inches. This is the bigger piece. And for the second piece, I have 15 by 24, almost 25 or 24, 15 by 24. This is the second one, the smaller one. And to start off, I'm just going to fold this into two like this. So I'm just going to fold it and just make a curve. So to make the curve, I will come up here. At the up here, I'll mark 2 inches. I'll mark 2 inches, and on the down there too, I'm just going to mark 2 inches. So from the first that I mark and to the second side, I'm going to just make a curve. So I'll make a curve like so. I'm just going to make a curve. So that's a curve in order to give it that curve effect. So the next thing I'll do now is just to cut off the excess that I have around there. Just cut off the parts that we don't need. So just make a smooth excel. So this is our first piece. So the next thing just going to create a pleat. Just create pleats around that area. So the pleat you create is the amount of how you want your petal sleeve to cover your armhole. So make sure it is exact length that you have there. So now we're going to do this to the second piece, what we did to the first. So we're just going to mark that 2 inches up there, and then we mark 2 inches down there too. So just going to mark the 2 inches. So I'm just going to connect it just like we did for the first one, like so. So I find that this part is just too deep, so I don't want it to be that deep in order for the first piece not to cover it up. So I'm just going to create the second line, and from the second line I'm just going to cut off the excess that I have there. So and that is it for the second piece. So just like I mentioned for the first place, you're just going to go and create pleats around there. Make sure what you're going to have is exactly what you need around your armhole to cover it up, just like it is in the style. So I'm just going to create pleats right here. So I'm just showing us how you're just going to create pleat. This sleeve is just simple to make. So like I mentioned earlier, you can use collar stay. It's going to give it that very standing effect, or you use hard stay, or if you're using a normal stay, you can double or triple it. Any of these will be fine. This will just give it a standing effect. Make sure when you create your plate, it is exact what you're going to need around your armhole. So how much you want it to cover your armhole will be determined by you. If you want it to just cover it small or deep, so the only how you want it is just make your pleats, because that's how you make this sleeve. So I'm just going to go ahead and just cut off the thread here. Then I'll do this same thing to the second piece too. Just going to create a pleat. And here we have our sleeve. Can you see how it is? If I had used a hard stay or the collar stay, it's just going to stand very well. So this is the bigger piece. Look at how it is. And then that's the second sleeve right there. So this is how it's just going to look. So the next thing I'll do is just going to put the two together. Can you see how they look? So I'm just going to go ahead and sew it. Just in order to join it together. You need to join it together before you add it to your sleeve. So I'm just going to take it to the sewing machine and join the two together like so. So I'm just joining it together here. And I've joined it together. So this is how I've joined it together. See how they look. See how the big effect it is. So this is all. So make sure you've already hemmed it at the hem there. Because this is just for tutorial, I'm not really adding it, I'm just teaching us. So make sure you cover the hem with, maybe you hemmed it or with your lining. So this is how you make your Petals exaggerated sleeve. It's so beautiful. See, I just pinned it to my shoulder here in order to show us how it's going to look. So thank you very much for watching. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe. And to the returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I love you. Thank you for the loves you've been showing all my videos. So this is how it's going to look. So if you have any suggestion or anything, please let me know in the comment section down below. So thank you very much for watching. I just love this sleeve. I love it so much. It's just so beautiful and elegant. So if you have any question, you have anything you want to let me know, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. Catch you in my next tutorial. Bye.